What is up, everyone? This is the 179 Bob Killer, and today we're back with some more Sons of the Forest. It is daytime because I quickly built a little tarp shelter, slept, and saved, and, then took it down because you can do that, which is really awesome. I love having a little portable shelter that I can just set up and put away. But yeah, we're heading towards this green circle. So, I'll see you guys when we're there. Alright, we are encroaching upon the next green circle. And in true green circle fashion, there are some golf carts. So looks like this guy's dead. Yeah, so if there's a cave here, definitely the other green circle that we were at should have had a cave as well. Alright, guess we're gonna go in here and check it out. Lag Central. Crawling in here. Alright, here we go. Need a light. Now let's put away that. Let's do the light. Wonderful. Uh-oh. Okay. That was a little weird, that freeze right there. Looks like... Oh. Man, these caves are kind of laggy for me. Don't know what's wrong with that. I'm not standing in water, am I? No. That. Is that me? Alright. It's a little weird. I'm a little worried about exploring this cave now. Oh gosh, those bats. I hate bats. Oh, what the heck is this? Food and dining? Was this like a safety bunker? Let's go. Oh, it looks like shit happened here. Oh, what's this? We got food. We got food. These all pieces of raw meat. I have a lot of raw meat on my person. I should probably find a way to cook it. Mysteries. I love bacon bites. That's interesting. Let's collect all the bacon bites. They're mine. Anything in here? Oh, this guy's got some arrows in him. What's this? Oh, that's the artifact. That's the artifact. Thought you might find this interesting. Oh, interesting. Oh, I can zoom it in. There you go, for anyone who needed that. Alright, how do I put this away? G. There we go. Well, that was cool. A little reference to the first game. Some story. Is this another key card? What is it glowing? Nope, we don't have the key card. Anything over here that I can take? This guy's got an arrow. No, the crossbow bolts. Crossbow bolts and these guys. What is this? Slime? Is this supposed to be slime? It's kind of gross, actually. Why am I finding the slime more gross than these guys' guts just kind of spilled out onto the floor? Is this a Roomba? The heck? Can I break it? Whoa. That's funny. Well, we found food. That is probably the most important part. We got whatever more bacon bites or steak bite. So food, I bet, is the most important thing that we found here. Can I open up any of these? Not. Yeah, there's nothing there. Can I open up any of this? Okay. Let's take that. Let's eat some stuff. We got some food, so might as well eat it, right? Is this spoiled raw meat? Yeah, it's rotten meat. We don't want rotten meat, so we can drop that. Let's eat a steak bite. Bacon bite. And those getting our hunger up all the way. What's this one? Brain bite. I'm not sure if we should eat that, but hey, I guess it was pretty tasty. Make zipline rope. Interesting. Energy mix. Oh, we can make like health mix, energy mix. I remember this now. I never used those, but let's put this into the combine section. What else can we combine? This thing, combine. What else does it need? I don't know. This, combine. What did I just make? Energy mix. Okay, we don't need energy right now, but that's pretty cool. Should I make zipline rope? I don't know. Printed grappling hook, yeah. I don't know if I should make that zipline rope quite yet. I wonder what this paper target's for. I love all the LEDs in these, like, things. I can't get too distracted, though. We have someone to find. I climb up here. Oh, holdy. We have somebody to find. Ooh, ooh. Go back this way. Oh, I just fell down the stairs. Okay, let's go back up. It is dark. Let there be light. There we go. Oh wait, didn't I? Wait, I didn't mention it, but yeah, I picked up a flashlight. Let's use the flashlight very quick. Equip flashlight. Oh, ooh, the flashlight is awesome. I love that. Now, does hitting L put it away or turn it off? I wonder. We'll experiment with that when we're at the top here. I love the look of the caves. They look so much more cave-like. Okay, so hitting L puts it away. Ah, let there be light. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's open up our little GPS. We got dudes climbing trees over here. So we need to head in this direction. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I probably should have saved when I was there earlier. But, you know, hindsight's 20/20. We'll do that eventually. Alright, we are coming up on the little exclamation point, and we have tents. Let's search these tents. We can definitely save the game here. Got some more ammo. We'll save the game after we loot everything. There we go. Got energy bars, tarp that I can't pick up. That guy died a miserable death. Oh, get this. What? What happened? Did I eat something? I didn't eat anything, did I? Wait, what? Am I getting shot or hit by something? Oh, this guy. He's throwing crap at me, wasn't he? Oh my gosh. You are weird. Yeah, you run away. You run away, little freak. Alright. Let's save the game. And let's walk over to the space. This gonna be like trapped in a tree or something. Mystery plant will take it. More mystery plant. I'm getting distracted, but we'll take it. We're almost at the spot. There's a lot of mystery plant by the spot. Alright, we should be... Oh, I think we found it. We found it right here. Some cloth. Well... I don't know how to deal with this. I remember from watching the trailer, there's a shovel, so I'm almost certain we have to dig this up. Oh my gosh, this guy is freaking... No, let me swing at you. I can't even tell if I'm hitting the sky. I don't think I am. Maybe if I break the... No, can I not break this? No, I don't think I can break that. That's upsetting. Now to think of it, I never checked to see what that turtle shell does, because I know I picked up the turtle shell from that turtle earlier. Where is the turtle shell? I don't like how slow, like, you move throughout the inventory. Oh, I can equip it. Can I, like, use it as a sled? Yeah, I think. No. Turtle sled. Maybe I have to use the actual sled as a sled. Alright. Well, I guess I'm going to call this episode here then. Because I have just no clue where the shovel is and where I'm supposed to go next. So please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in the next episode.